So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to remove logged in device from TikTok. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your TikTok account. Now simply tap on profile icon, which is available in the lower corner of right side. So tap here. Then tap on three line, which is available in the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on settings and privacy. Then again tap on security and permissions. Now tap on manage devices. And you can see your history, so you can tap on dustbin icon, which is available in the corner side of your screen. So I'm tapping on here. Now confirm it, either you want to remove or not. So tap on remove icon. Now see, that device has been removed successfully from my TikTok account. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.